Nikola Tesla? 369 theory of Nikola Tesla? If you know the significance of the numbers 3, 6 and 9, you can have the key to the universe. What is this 369 theory? Okay, first I will explain you why Nikola Tesla has manifested his ovation in numerous ways. Okay, first thing, whenever he enters any building, before entering to the building, he takes 3 rounds around the building, then he enters the room. Okay, this is the first ovation he made. And the second ovation is, this might be silly, but you have to listen it. This is the theory of Nikola Tesla. Then I will explain you why this 3, 6, 9 numbers are so interesting and why they are so interesting and what is the magic behind those numbers. Okay, and the second thing, first thing is, before entering to the building, he takes 3 rounds. Okay, and after that he enters into the building. Okay, this is it. And the second thing is, while washing his dishes, he just cleaned that dishes with 18 napkins. Okay, 18 is divisible by the 3 numbers 3, 6 and 9. This is the second ovation he made. And the third one is, he always selects the room. The room number, when you add all those numbers, it gives the sum as 9. Okay, this is the third one. Okay, remember the first one, before entering through the block, 3 rounds. Second one, while washing his dishes, the 18 is divisible by 3, 6 and 9, 3 numbers. And the third ovation is, whatever the room he enters, whatever the room he is living, he just makes sure that the room number, the sums, and it gives to the 9. This is the third ovation. So, what might be the reason that Nikola Tesla has given that much importance to 369? He's a scientist, he's a great scientist. Why he would do such silly things? There would be some reason behind those numbers, right? 3, 6 and 9. Okay, I will tell you the magic behind those 3 numbers, but before that we will check with some examples around us which are including these 3 numbers. Okay, 3, 6 and 9. It is not 24 hours. So the day starts with 00. Okay, in the midnight our day starts. Okay, we might be sleeping at that time. Okay, just remember what I am saying. 00 in the midnight, it is 12 o'clock. Consider it as 00. Whatever I am saying, add 3 to it. Add 3 to it. So midnight, 3 o'clock. Remember this number 3. Add 3 to it. Again 6 in the morning. Remember the number 6. Add 3 to it. 9 in the morning. Remember this number. Midnight 3, morning 6, morning 9. Again there will be 12 o'clock. So don't consider 2 digits. Add those numbers. 12 o'clock means 1 plus 2. It is again giving you 3. Don't consider it as afternoon 1 o'clock. Consider it as 13. Then 14. Add 12 ki mali meeru 3 add cheste, you will be getting 15. So there are 2 digits. Add those 2 digits again, you will get 6. So it is a repetition of 3, 6 and 9. So whatever the words you are using, whatever the time which we are doing our activities, it is including the 3 numbers 3, 6 and 9. And our time is also divided into 3 things: past, present, future. So 3 is the number included in that. This is the second example. And the next example. Take any object, consider a triangle. Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Add all those numbers, you will get 9. 1 plus 8 plus 0, 9. Take a square. Sum of the angles in a square, 360. 3 plus 6 plus 0, 9. Take a pentagon. Each angle is 108. Each angle in a pentagon is 108. When you take sum of all those angles, again you will get 9. So continue this process up to infinity, you will get 9. Okay? And another example. You can take the diameter of the earth, diameter of the moon, diameter of the sun in miles. Add all those numbers, you will get 9. Okay? And I will tell you the importance of 9 also. And another thing is, frequency of our earth. You can check it in the Google, frequency of the earth. Add all those numbers, you will get 9. Okay? You might be seeing in yoga classes and meditations, Om. Om will be spelled, right? The frequency of Om, if you add all those numbers, you are again getting 9. Okay? So there is a magic behind all these numbers 3, 6 and 9. And there are many more such things where you will find these 3 numbers 3, 6 and 9. Okay, the only thing is we have to observe where these numbers are being. So now I will explain what is the magic behind these 3 numbers. Okay, see this one. Okay, first consider the number 1, double it, you will get 2. Okay, again double it, you are getting 4. Double it, 8. Add these 2 numbers, you will get 7. Don't double this number, double this number. 16 plus 16, 32. Go up to infinity, you will never find 3 numbers. Those are 3, 6 and 9. You are never going to find those numbers. Okay? Another thing, take the numbers 3 and 6. First take the number 3, double it, you will get 6, double it, it is again 12. So 12, again add it, you will get 3. So up to infinity you will never find the number 9. So 9 is the number which is ruling 3 and 6, and 6, 3 and 9, these 3 are the numbers which are ruling all the numbers which you have seen in the before slide. Okay? So because of this significance, Nikola Tesla has discovered the theory of 369 and the famous quotation, if you know the significance of 369, you can have the secret to the universe. You can know the secret to the universe. So whatever you see around you, you can have these numbers, right? So think in that. How Nikola Tesla has manifested his ovation in numerous ways, we should also think in that way.